तुर्की के इस दस्ते की क़यादत कैप्टन साइगन तरजान कर रहे हैं। Our partnership is not just historical, it is dynamic and forward-looking. Both nations are actively engaged in numerous strategic, economic and developmental projects that promise a brighter future for our people.
Peace in home, peace in world. We are one nation, two states. Allama Iqbal found inspiration in the spirit of Turkey when he said, "The land of the pure and the land of the brave. Together we rise, together we pay."